guys, review Tecno Camon 20 Pro. This was an 8GB RAM memory and 256GB internal memory in the blue color, model CK7N. Okay, open box, look completion, device in the plastic body, and we have in the box the commentary protected back cover, adapter for charging with quick charge, and this we have key for SIM slot, speakers, headphones, and a Type-C cable. Okay. On this side, power button and volume buttons. On the back side, triple camera, LED. On the front side, display 6.67 inch. This AMOLED display, Full HD Plus resolution. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and headphones jack. Open Antutu benchmark. Open settings, look Android version. My phone, iOS version 13, Android version 13. In the Antutu benchmark we have good results. Okay, close this and run the money game with San Andreas. Guitar works on a max graphic level, works good. Okay, close this, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.